So I'm in the massive South building at the SEMA show, which is filled with hundreds of wheel and tire vendors, but the question is, what do people call them? Wheels or rims? So what do I call them? Well, heck, I've always called them wheels. Like if I'm putting 15-inch truck rallies on my C10, those are wheels. But if I wanted to put 20s on, then I would have called those rims. Is that right? Is that wrong? Probably. Got a question for you guys.
What's up, man?
Are they wheels or are they rims?
They're wheels.
All right, thank you. Question for you guys. Are they wheels or are they rims?
Wheels. They should be aluminum rims.
Are they wheels or are they rims?
Wheels.
Are they wheels or are they rims?
Wheels.
Are they wheels or are they rims?
Wheels.
Question, guys. Are they wheels or are they rims?
Wheels. Wheels is the whole tire.
Are they wheels or are they rims?
Rims.
What do you say? 50-50. Are they wheels or are they rims?
They're wheels.
Wheels? What do you?
Wheels.
Wheels. All right. Question. Are they wheels or are they rims?
I would say they're rims.
Rims?
Wheels.
Wheels? All right. Wheels or rims?
Rims.
Wheels or rims? All right. Got a question for you. Wheels or rims?
Wheels.
All right. Wheels or rims?
Oh, wheels, of course. 100%.
Wheels or rims?
Wheels.
Wheels. All right. Do you call them wheels or rims? All right. Question. Are they wheels or are they rims?
Yes.
Rims.
Rims.
Yes.
Wheels.
50-50. Question for you guys. Do you call them wheels or rims?
Rims.
Rims.
All right. Wheels or rims?
Wheels.
Wheels or rims?
Rims.
Wheels or rims?
Wheels.
Wheels or rims?
Wheels or rims?
Yep.
It's a pretty hard question. No.
What would you call
They're
them?
different.
I know, but what would you?
Wheels are the whole setup. Rims are just the actual metal.
Question. Wheels or rims?
Wheels.
Wheels or rims?
Rims.
Wheels or. All right. Wheels or rims?
Wheels or rims?
Rims.
Rims.
Rims. Both of you. All right. All right, guys. Wheels or rims? Wheels. How about you? All right. Wheels or rims? Wheels. All right. Dawn. Wheels or rims?
Rims.
Are they wheels or are they rims?
Rims. A wheel sits on studs. A rim sits on the hub assembly. That's the difference. It's just an explanation. So when you talk to a customer and they say wheel, you say wheel right back. You don't say rim to them because now you're confused. You don't want to confuse people. It's not a tire and wheel assembly. It's all the same.
So I've had a couple pretty good explanations and we're about a 50-50 split, so let's keep going. Got a question for you.
Sure.
Do you call them wheels or rims?
That's a good question. Generally wheels.
All right.
Yeah.
Are they wheels or are they rims?
Wheels.
Wheels. All right, thanks. Are they wheels or are they rims?
They're wheels.
Wheels. Question for you. Do you call them wheels or rims?
Rims.
Rims. Rims. Do you call them wheels or rims? All right. Do you call them wheels or rims?
Rims.
Do you call them wheels or rims?
Huh?
Do you call it wheels or rims?
Rims.
Rims. All right, thanks. Do you call them wheels or rims?
Wheels.
All right, thank you. Do you call them wheels or rims?
Probably horse apiece.
Yep.
It depends on the day.
Do you call them wheels or rims?
Wheels.
What about you?
Wheels.
All right. I think so far the wheels are taking it. All right, question for you guys.
What's up?
Do you call them wheels or rims?
Wheels. Wheels. Rims. Wheels.
All right, thanks. Do you call them wheels or rims?
The wheel is a rim and tire completion, and a rim is a metal.
Do you call them wheels or rims?
I would say rims.
How about you?
Rims.
Wheels or rims?
I call them rims.
How about you?
Rims.
All right, thank you. All right, question for you, gents. Do you call them wheels or rims?
Rims. Rims.
Rims, all right. Wheels or rims?
What are we doing? We're doing wheels today. Come back tomorrow. We might say rims tomorrow. I don't know.
It's whatever your customer calls them, right?
Exactly. But
How about,
it's gonna make the
I say
sale.
wheels.
what do you?
I say wheels.
Wheels, all right. Do you call them wheels or do you call them rims?
Wheels.
Wheels.
All right, wheels or rims?
Wheels.
Do you call them wheels or rims?
I call them wheels.
All right, thanks. All right, let me ask you ladies a question. Do you call them wheels or rims?
Rims. Depends what we're talking about. We're talking about the wheels or we're talking about the rims?
I don't know. That has been the question of the day for people.
The inside the rim.
All right, so we're still, I'd probably say the majority is wheels, but I was told to go over to the Tire Industry Association because they would give me the definitive answer. So it looks like they are wheels. Wheels are the metal part that actually mount to the vehicle, and the rim is on the outside diameter where the tires seat to. So if you have tires on them, it's a wheel-tire combination. Maybe they're right, maybe they're wrong. Let me know what you call them down in the comments below.